Baby's got the hiccups.
He's got the hat on.
He's got his Mozart playing on his swing. And yes, these are normal. They're very common after eating, and there's nothing you can do about it. They say you can give him a little bit of water, a little bit of more food to try and get him just, calm down, but he's not going to be hurt by hiccups.
He seems unfazed by it.
Yeah, he's unfazed by it. So we can get a sound here. Hold your breath. That's the hat Mom and Dad love. If it were leather, it'd look like a football helmet from the early 30s. You're not hungry. Alright, let's pick the baby up.